How to use Backtrack on the Apple Watch to retrace your steps. First, enable Backtrack on your iPhone. 1. Open Settings on your iPhone. 2. Tap Privacy and Security. 3. Tap Location Services. 4. Tap Compass. 5. Ensure while using the app is checked and toggle Precise Location on. It will turn green. 6. Return to Location Services and tap System Services. 7. Ensure Significant Locations is toggled on. 2. Retracing your steps with Backtrack. 1. Open the Compass app on your Apple Watch. 2. Tap the 2 footprints icon in the bottom right corner, the Backtrack button. 3. On first use, a start screen appears. Tap Start to begin using Backtrack. Restart your journey. When ready to return, tap the pause button in the bottom right. 5. Tap Retrace Steps. 6. Follow the white triangle, direction indicator, and white line path that appear in the center of the compass to retrace your steps. 7. Upon returning to the starting point, tap the Backtrack button again. 8. Tap Delete Steps to finish.